What's up, y'all? It's K Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday go-to makeup look. This look can be worn literally anywhere. You can wear it to work and leave work and go to happy hour if you wanted to. So before we get into this look, if you will, please take a second and like this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below if you have any questions, if you have any other type of videos that you want to see. And yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Today we're going to be using our NYX micro brow pencil in the shade black to achieve our brows. So we're going to be lining the bottom of our brows, going with our natural brow shape, and then we're going to be repeating the same step to the top, and we're filling them in as we go. Now it's time to clean them up. So using our Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 220, we are just going to take our Morphe M432 brush and go along the bottom of our brow, keeping the brush as close to the brows without actually touching them. Now, if I were doing a colorful eye look, I would use a concealer that is at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone to give the brow a little lift and to make those colors pop. And now we are going to just be repeating the same step, cleaning up the top of the brows using our foundation as well. So when you clean up the top of your brows, you always want to use a foundation or a concealer that is as close to your skin tone as possible. That way you will avoid creating a halo around. Now we're going to take our Morphe M173 brush to blend out the product around the eyebrows, taking that brush down the center of our brows to clean up the front and give it a more gradient and natural appearance. Now we're going to use our NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. I have super oily skin and this primer works amazing. Okay, so come through Juvia's Place. Now we're going to use our stick foundation in the shade Cameroon. Ooh, I sounded super country when I said that. But anyways, yeah, and we're just going to rub this all over our face. And then we are going to take our Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and we are just going to press this foundation into the skin. I love this foundation because it's full coverage and I'm a full coverage type of girl, and you can definitely build this coverage to your liking. Now it's time to highlight. We're using our I Am Magic concealer from Juvia's Place to highlight our T-zone area. This is the area of our face that the sun naturally shines. Let's get snatched. So now we're going to take our Black Opal Stick Foundation and we are going to contour our face. We are going to be sculpting those cheekbones, the jawline, making the forehead smaller, the nose slimmer. So let's do it. Ready, set, and go. So here we're taking our Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalari, and we are just pressing this powder into our skin. Now, anytime you use a creamy or liquid product, you always want to set it with a powder. Same thing with our contour. We're going to be using our Pro Contour palette from Profusion. I got this palette from Walmart, and we're just going to be setting our contour. Yeah. Now let's pop a little color on those cheeks using also Harren Blush Volume 1 palette from Theatrical. Now it's time to highlight using our bankroll highlighter from the Plush collection. We are just going to highlight those areas once again where the sun naturally hit our face, which is in our T-zone. This highlighter is beautiful. Just look at that forehead. Look at that nose. Baby girl. The bigger the lash, the bigger the heart. So now we are using our lash baddie from the Plush collection, and I have already placed some dual lash glue on my lash line, and I just set that lash on up there like, wow, look at that, wow. Now we're going to use our Yoko matte liquid lipstick from the Empress Lip collection by Juvia's Place, and whoo, child, just look. I don't even need to say no more. I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Just look. Now to finish it off, we are going to spray our face with our NYX matte setting spray. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is our final look. So beautiful. Look at that highlight, baby. Look at those lips. Look at those lashes. Just everything is giving me life. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. This is my very first YouTube video, so I'm anxious to know what you guys thought about it. I want to know what you guys want to see next. And we will be back with more.